What's up, everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil coming back at you in 2023 with another one. Thank you for joining me today. Let's talk about the Ulanzi tube light. Let's get into it. So, as you can see, today I'm in a different space. This is actually third day of my quarantine from COVID. Unfortunately, I did catch it a couple of days ago. And I've been stuck in this room all throughout New Year, so might as well be productive while I'm up here. This, guys, is the Ulanzi tube light. I picked up from Amazon probably back in October of 2022, and I picked up two of them. So, was very interested in tube lights. I've been seeing a lot of people's videos with tube lights and stuff like that, and I never really got the chance to pick up one until actually a buddy of mine sent me these. He said they actually work extremely well. This is an RGB light as well, so it does do all your colors, but I have used them in some cases simply with this standard light right here. As you can see, it lights up my face very nicely, and this is only at 15%, so this light is very, very bright. With that being said, there are multiple modes to this. You can do multiple modes such as RGB. You can have strobe mode, which it does different types of colors in a particular pattern. The best thing about this light is honestly the battery. There are a couple of features that stand out to me, but let me go through a couple of them first. Number one is the LCD. The LCD, as you could see here, is very clear, and all your options are just from these four buttons, as you can see. So there's really not too many things here to deal with when you want to actually, use it for your needs. I have used this light at full power, 100%, for an hour and a half straight. It died, I want to say, about an hour and 25 minutes, hour and a half straight, which is fantastic. I think it's a 2600 milliamp battery, but at full power, at 5600 Kelvin, it lasted almost an hour and a half, so that to me is fantastic. There are several things that I love about this light, one of them being that it is USB-C, so you can charge it USB-C and you could charge it while you're using it, which is fantastic, and also has the mounting capability right here to your tripod or whatever you want to connect it to maybe make it stand up or what have you. Yes, this may look like a small size, but best thing about this thing is that you can honestly take this off, right? Take a cap off, take another one, and connect them. So now you have double the light. This, for me, was a killer feature. You can actually, I believe, attach up to 4, if not more, of these particular lights. Now, this is something that I use pretty often, so I usually mount this on a stand and use the light, both of them together or one on each side. You may have seen them in my videos as well, in previous YouTube videos, but if that's the case, they were usually mounted to the back of me or somewhere in the space. But there's a trick to that piece, because these strips right here on the side, they're actually magnetic. Now, I'm not going to say it's the strongest magnet, but it is capable of holding itself up. I'm not going to say on every surface. On most surfaces, on most metal surfaces, it does hold itself up pretty well. And lastly, honestly, my most favorite thing about this particular light are the modes. So you can have several different modes. When it comes down to it, you can have a strobe mode where I brought this up before, where you can change this to basically whatever you want. This is called the paparazzi mode. This is called the emergency mode, where it does particular patterns. This is the cop car mode, so it does particular different types of lights. So you can actually use some of these things for your shoots to be very creative with. Like, they have a TV mode. Now, you don't have to actually film a person watching TV, but you can emulate them watching TV with these particular lights. There are several different ones. This is the Ulanzi VL110. I believe They are $49.99 on Amazon. I'm going to link the product below, but let me know your thoughts if you picked one up or not. I like Ulanzi as a company as a whole. I think they make great product. Like I said, let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to get your opinions on it. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to this channel. We're going to blow this channel up in 2023. I hope you guys got my back, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!